Now here's a question that says a man invests rupees 9600 on 100 shares at rupees 80. This line means that the shares face value is rupees 100 but is available at a discount of 20 rupees. That means the market value of the share is rupees 80. Now if the company pays him 18% dividend, there's 18% dividend, we have to find the number of shares he buys, the total dividend and the percentage return on shares. So how do we go further is first of all we find out the first part that says the number of shares he buys. We know that the total money invested is rupees 9600. The market value of one share is rupees 80. So if we divide 9600 by 80, we will get the number of shares. So the number of shares is equal to total money invested divided by the market value of one share. If we know the total money invested, that is 9600, and market value of one share is rupees 80, we can find out the total number of shares, which gives us 9600 divided by 80 gives us a value of 120 shares. So we have 120 shares in total. The second part says the total dividend. We have to find out the total dividend. Now we know there's a formula to find out the total dividend, which is number of shares into face value of one share into percentage discount. Sorry, percentage dividend. I'm sorry. The number of shares into the face value of one share into the percentage dividend will give us the total dividend. How? We know that the total dividend is paid on the face value of the total shares. So the face value of the total number of shares, how can that be calculated? That can be calculated with the number of shares multiplied by the face value of one share. If we multiply the number of shares, we know the total number of shares, we multiply it with the face value of one share, it will give us the face value of all the shares, and then we will multiply it with the percentage dividend, then we will get with that we will get the total dividend. So we have 120 into 100, that is the face value, into percentage dividend, that is 18 divided by 100. So we have this value equal to 120 into 18. So this is equal to 2160. So a profit of rupees 2160 was earned by this man in 1 year, or this was the total dividend given to him by the company. Now the third thing we have to find out is the percentage return on shares. Now we know that the percentage return is always calculated on the total investment. This is the total profit. This is the total investment. So the percentage return is equal to total discount discount is equal to total dividend upon this is equal to total dividend upon the money invested into 100. So we have the percentage return is equal to total dividend upon the money invested into 100, which gives us 2160 upon 9600 into 100, which gives us a value of 22.5%. Now this is the percentage return for this question.